I think what made me decide to go to culinary school now as opposed to when I first looked at school 10 years ago. I think 10 years ago, cooking then for me was an interest. It was something that I thought was fun, and I also think I didn't know that much about it then, and so I think I've spent the last 10 years reading about cooking, whether that's like through food media in any different forms. And so I think what was an interest 10 years ago has grown into this huge passion. My favorite thing about being in a kitchen, I love the teamwork and leadership aspect of it, honestly. I used to work for a leadership school that did trips in the wilderness. And so for me, it's been so cool to see how that has transferred over. And in the kitchen, I think in a good kitchen, there's clarity of expectations. Everyone is working hard and you're part of this team that is somehow more than the sum of its parts. Maybe it sounds funny to say this, but I love working with living things. And I think working with something like bread that is, you're sort of trying to create this environment, this culture for this thing to grow. And then I think also that you can take such simple ingredients, just like flour, salt, yeast, water, and create these incredible like diversity of different products. I think it's just amazing. One of the reasons why I chose the culinary school of Fort Worth is that it's close to family, close to home. I was excited to spend time with my niece and my nephew. And then also I think probably the biggest reason is that this program, you are able to learn so much stuff. I think the fact that you don't have to choose between baking, pastry, and culinary arts was a huge perk for me. I really wanted to be able to sort of immerse myself in the food world, sort of all the way across the spectrum. And then also, I think what you're able to do and learn for the price point is just unbeatable, I think. I like so many things about this school. I love the faculty. I think the teachers really care a lot about you and push you hard, and it's because they want you to do a good job and become a better chef. I think that's a huge perk about being here. I think we work with amazing ingredients, like really high quality. We have all these different microgreens and just the things that I think make it so easy to be creative in the kitchen. And I think it's a really supportive environment, but one that's super committed to professionalism. And I think that by the end of your year here, if you try hard, that you can come out of here with just like such a depth of skills. My goals after graduation, I have so many goals. I think initially I would like to return to my work as a wilderness guide, and I would enjoy really taking the different things that I've had the chance to learn in school and be able to provide this really high-level dining experience in some of the most beautiful places in the world. I think would be really exciting. And I think long-term, I would like to have a small community-based little wood-fired bread oven and bake breads and pastries for a community somewhere.